they may ask question. Write down. Release of neurotransmitter at synapses. The release of neurotransmitter at synapses involves what option? Involves dash. Then option you have. Okay. They can make question in two ways. In first way they can ask you directly metal, which metal involves, means which metal is play role in the release of neurotransmitter. And second, they can ask you a process, which process. Okay, now that is no problem. Now I make this one very easy. Okay, no endocytosis, only exocytosis. Okay, then this involves which process? Exocytosis process, and that is depend upon which metal? Yes, which one? Okay, no problem, we have not this one. Okay, that is called where you write now, where you wrote that what release of neurotransmitter at synapses within bracket, write down calcium mediated exocytosis, calcium plus 2 mediated exocytosis. Okay, clear? Now next point is what? Binding of neurotransmitter or interaction of neurotransmitter to their receptor present on postsynaptic neurons or other neurons, that is next neurons. Understand na? Binding of neurotransmitter to their receptor present on postsynaptic neurons. Fine na? And the last is what? Deactivation of the neurotransmitter. These two are very, very important. Synthesis of neurotransmitters and deactivation, that is the very, very critical steps. If neurotransmitters are not synthesized at all, there is no way to neurotransmission. Fine. And if it is synthesized, packaged and released, but if it is not deactivate, that is it is not degrade, it is not reuptake, then it will also leads to problem, because for long time they can excited the other neurons. This will cause problem. That's for some time they are only present here. Okay, then what happens? That is called deactivation. Deactivation means what happens? That is neurotransmitters are either destroyed, degraded, or taken back into the terminal. Of the first neurons. Okay. Clear? Then you should know that most of the neurotransmitters, they are what? Reuptake. 80% neurotransmitter, they are reuptake, and within that neurons they are degraded, or they are used to make a new neurotransmitters. Okay, fine. But you should remember, for only one neurotransmitter is there for which there is no reuptake mechanism. Okay, and this may be your own question. Which one of the following neurotransmitter having no reuptake mechanism? Okay, and the answer is acetylcholine. Acetylcholine having, okay. Means what it means, that acetylcholine is degraded by an enzyme, that acetylcholinesterase. Acetylcholinesterase breaks this acetylcholine into two molecules, acetyl and choline. Okay, acyl and choline something. This is about neurotransmission. Fine. Just write down acetylcholinesterase cleaves or break down acetylcholine neurotransmitter. That's all. Now comes to neurons. Okay, and I think you know very well. Okay, this is the basic structure of neurons, and this only from this structure so many questions coming. Okay, then first, what is this one? This one is called cytone, total cell body. This one is called cell body or cytone, this one. And this one, which region? Tail region. That is the whole. This is also known as axon. This one is called axon. This long one is called axon. Okay. Now this one is cell body here mainly. And this cell body contains nucleus. This cell body, this one is nucleus, mitochondria, everything is here. Fine. This small, this one is called dendrites, and these dendrites contain Nissl granules. Okay, this contains, these are rich in Nissl